Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out Phoebeus small pellet stoves in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. Pleasant Hearth 3500 Pellet Stove. This stove is found on many top-rated lists for small pellet stoves. Its useful efficient performance, features and quality workmanship make it an easy choice for our list. Pleasant Hearth stoves turn up on many top pellet stove lists. This model receives good reviews for being very easy to light, tend and clean. You'll go through pellets more slowly with this stove compared with most competitors. This stove operates at 85% efficiency, making it one of the most efficient stoves on the market. The Pleasant Hearth 3500 comes with auto ignition, outside air kit, convection blower, and a limited 5-year warranty. One review reported that the stove arrived damaged. The company did replace the stove at no charge. This highly efficient, small pellet stove is available at an affordable price and is our choice for most efficient. With up to 30,000 BTUs, this state-of-the-art vent-free technology does not require a flue or chimney. This vent-free stove functions with the option of natural gas or liquid propane. Pleasant Hearth vent-free stoves are the ideal choice to bring style and warmth to your home. With Pleasant Hearth vent-free stove systems, enjoying the warmth and beauty of a fire has never been easier. Minimum clearance design allows ease of installation almost anywhere. This thermostatically controlled unit does not support a millivolt remote control. Check your local regulations on installation restrictions and requirements. Propane use requires 100 pounds, tank or larger with 2-stage adjustable regulator available from local gas company. Number 9. Mr. Heater PS20W CIW Mini Pellet Stove. The best small wood pellet heater and the best affordable wood pellet heater. The Cleveland Iron Works PS20W is the best small wood pellet heater, and heats up to an advertised 800 square feet worth of room. Don't let its small size fool you, it's one of the best wood pellet heaters for the home. An 18 pounds capacity hopper guarantees that you can still get a decent amount of heat out of its use. The PS20W runs comfortably for more than 24 hours without requiring a fill-up. The blower unit of the CIW PS20W is powerful enough, but as quiet as most people would prefer. You'll barely hear it when it's running. Wi-Fi capacity can hook the heater up to the official app, which lets you control the heat settings and time right from your mobile device, or even your smart TV, if you like. It also comes with a remote for the traditionalist. A 1-year warranty makes this one of the best wood pellet heaters you can select on a budget. Number 8. Cleveland Iron Works PSBF 66W CIW Bayfront Pellet Stove. The Cleveland Iron Works PSBF 66W pellet stove is one of the best medium pellet stoves that can warm up a space of up to 2,500 square feet. While it's heavy at approximately 264 pounds, it gets points for being a quiet and effective heater. Auto ignition makes the PSBF 66W pellet stove effortless to light. An electronic display shows you the most important information, and like other medium heaters from Cleveland Iron Works, you can also hook the PSBF 66W stove up to the app. Replacement parts and a 1-year warranty is included with the PSBF 66W. Pellet stoves can be thought of as a combination fireplace that uses both fire and circulation to produce the desired level of warmth. While burning wood pellets produce heat, powered fans move it through the system and warm up your space. Number 7. Cleveland Iron Works PS60W CIW Medium. The most reliable medium pellet stove. Cleveland Iron Works is a medium pellet stove with a 60 pounds hopper that heats up to 1,200 square feet worth of space. The best features of the PS60W include a whisper quiet blower unit that you barely hear, an automatic ignition that lights it with a single button. An electronic control panel gives you the essential settings right at your fingertips, but that's not all. Extra replacement parts are included with the CIW PS60W, and the parts are covered by an extended 1-year warranty. There's one more cool feature for the medium PS60W stove. It can hook up to your Wi-Fi connection and be operated with a downloadable iOS and Android app. Who thought a stove could do that? Number 6. Vogelsang VG5790 Hopper Pellet Stove Large. The Vogelsang VG5790 Hopper is a large pellet stove that heats up areas of at least 800 square feet, but as a larger model, weighs in at approximately 245 pounds when the unit is empty. The hopper carries up to 120 pounds, which can keep the unit burning for days at a time as one of its best features. The VG5790 just feels fancy from the beginning. Auto ignition, an LED display and electronic setting controls make it feel more high-tech than some comparable options out there. It's not perfect, though. The VG4790 can be very loud on its high setting, and the fan sounds more like a leaf blower in your house than a heater unit. The weight of this unit is also a common drawback. Once you've put it somewhere, it's difficult to move. Number 5. Pelpro Pellet Stove PP130B. The Pelpro PP130B pellet stove is meant to heat up larger areas. It measures in at an incredible 50,000 British thermal units, and claims to heat up spaces of at least 500 square feet without issues. A large hopper means that the PP130B was made for burning at least 90 hours at full capacity. Auto ignition makes the PP130B easy to light. Just click and let it burn. EPA certification guarantees its safety as an indoor heating appliance that uses burning wood. According to its rating, the PP130B operates at 87% efficiency. One thing to remember, the PP130B operates at 120V, but comes with a standard 110V plug for use in homes. While it might be large and pretty heavy, it's a gorgeous piece that's easy to use. A 5-year parts warranty covers common issues, and for a much longer time than most warranties do. The Pelpro pellet stove heats up to 500 square feet of space with 50,000 BTU input. This stove features the biggest hopper capacity in its class, 130 pounds. This means that you'll spend less time filling and maintaining your stove and more time cozied up to its warming comfort for up to 96 hours of burning time. This powerful heater simply plugs into a standard 110 outlet. The self-emptying fire pot extends the time between cleanings so you don't have to spend your valuable time cleaning between each use. This pellet stove has been certified by the EPA for clean burning performance and is also EPA certified at 87.5% for best in class fuel economy. You'll love how easy and intuitive the controls are, along with the automatic ignition, making this a simple and affordable heat source. Number 4. The U.S. Stove Company 5040 Small Pellet Stove. The U.S. Stove Company 5040 model is the perfect pellet stove to warm up smaller spaces, though with the benefit of a larger hopper that ensures at least 40 hours of continuous heat. The 5040 is made with a sleek digital control panel that gives you a lot of control over the different heat settings and times. Auto ignition makes it easy to light with the click of a single button. It's made with a larger window, which allows for an uninterrupted and clear view of the glow. What could be better than this? The product is also EPA certified and runs at approximately 75% efficiency according to the manufacturer. If you would like to keep your long-term heating costs low, this is one of the best wood pellet heaters to buy. Number 3. Stove Company US GW1949 Wiseway Non-Electric Pellet Stove. The US Stove Company is one of the top heating companies in the United States. For moderate spaces up to 2,000 square feet, the 1949 Wiseway non-electric pellet stove is the perfect affordable heating option. The GW1949 weighs approximately 131 pounds, but has a 60 pounds hopper that can provide at least 30 hours of continual heat when filled up. Automatic ignition gets the fire started. A powerful blower fan guarantees even heat distribution. Like most of their products, this model is EPA certified to ensure that it's safe for the customer. Number 2. ComfortBuilt HP 50 Pellet Stove. Burgundy ComfortBuilt has an option slightly smaller than the HP 22 that could be perfect to warm up smaller spaces. The HP 50 is ranked 11th in the heating category, so you know that it's one of the best quality pellet heaters you can buy. The HP 50 produces 42,000 British thermal units, which is enough to heat up spaces of up to 200 square feet. Like most other ComfortBuilt pellet stoves, the HP 50 lights up via an auto ignition system. Click a button, and there it goes. The programmable thermostat guarantees superfine control over heat settings and burning time. The HP50 has also been EPA certified, and that's the manufacturer's guarantee that their model has been put through the strictest safety tests and came out on top. The comfort-built HP50 is great if you want to heat a large space, but your budget or aesthetic needs means you need something different to the HP22. A 1-year warranty covers its parts. Number 1. Comfort-built pellet stove. HP22 Comfort-built is one of the leading pellet stove manufacturers in the United States. The HP22 pellet stove is a large pellet stove, and best for heating up larger spaces. It produces 50,000 BTU, and the HP22 can heat up a space of more than 2,800 square feet. Auto ignition makes the HP22 easy to light with one button. A powerful blower unit guarantees circulation. Advanced control is one of the best features of this one. The programmable thermostat can be set to different heat levels, or for different times of the day. Comfort-built pellet stove has a removable ashtray, makes cleaning the unit easy and quick. Available in carbon black for a sleek finish. The HP22 is issued with a 1-year parts warranty that covers any of the most common repairs within its first year.